YouTube people.
Hello.
This is my friend Paige, and she's hanging out today.
Yeah, so lucky for her, you got me.
I just want to check in with you guys and see. I'm checking Facebook later, so
Yeah, she doesn't have that. She's not very big, but
yeah.
good for you for watching her little videos. I have a question. Has anyone read this book?
It's a bad book.
Think?
I don't know. I've never read it.
It's like, hold on. Facelifts, tummy tucks, boob jobs, everyone's doing it. Why shouldn't the her? Yeah, I can't read that.
No, we're pretty dumb, but we're fun. Alright, well, I will talk.
We're not leaving.
Oh, we're not.
They want more.
They want more help.
So,
Then provide them with more.
apparently this is Chinese. This Metro PCS phone.
Yeah.
Like, and she has this on it. She's lying. No.
Check it anyway.
So, it was Easter, like, was it last week?
A few weeks ago.
Okay, it was like Easter last month.
Oh yeah, happy Easter.
Yeah.
Oh, what happy Mother's Day tomorrow.
I really don't celebrate Easter like most Americans do, so I got water balloons though. That was cool.
Most Americans don't do that, bitch.
I got water balloons for Easter. I didn't get any for Easter. Went to church, had my Italian dinner, I think. Yeah.
She's Italian too, by the way. All of a sudden I'm getting texts.
She's getting texts. Apparently she's popular. When? Which is another thing. What categories, I think that's the word, popular, losers, geeks, all that junk
Are you in?
Yeah, which one do you think you would be in? Of course, I would be an outcast.
I'd have to join you there.
Yeah, so, why don't we just tell you a little bit about ourselves? So, she'll go first, I think.
Well, I don't know. I'm a person who likes to go ice skating, and yeah, I like
She
to
loves
text
ice
people.
skating. She loves to text people.
Yeah.
I, for one, don't like to go ice skating because I think it's really boring.
And I think she's crazy.
I'm very crazy. But I love taking pictures with photography. I love to make videos and shut up. And I also like to write stories, creepy stories, so I don't think you would read them. Anyways, and I am in love with Monroe Chambers. People don't know who he is, but if you know who they are, if you know who he is, I mean, thumbs up for you. Yeah. Oh, look at jeans. Oh. My jeans are yellow. They're not yellow. They're green.
She's a cannibal.
I am. At the
Like this video for stealing names from Kesha's songs.
Kesha. Oh, anyway, me and my two friends one time.
Oh no.
We celebrated Kesha's birthday by having a cake fight. It was amazing. I got cake like up my nose, and my eyes, and my mouth, and my ears, everywhere. Okay, I was finding cake in body parts that in a whole week.
That shouldn't have cake in them.
It was good. Oh, and it was a tea.
Jessica, this is not a good time to text me. I'm doing a video. Can you see this, Jessica?
Lynn.
No,
Hi.
no, not Lynn.
Shut up. I know her last name. I'm not gonna say her last name.
It's G. I'm talking about Jessica G.
There's too many Jessicas in this world. Too many Dylans in this world. Alright, like I was trying to say before, when I had that cake fight, the cake was Team Jacob. So, Kesha, if you're watching this, are you Team Jacob or Team Edward? Because I would like to know. Yeah. We're going to the mall today. Maybe eat some food.
Steal some Hot Topic.
You cannot steal from Hot Topic. You know, you'll get arrested, you'll go to prison, and they'll scream and yell at you, and you won't eat anything. So don't steal from Hot Topic.
We're like the best telemarketers ever.
Telemarketers?
Whatever. Podcasters or
That's like our friend thing. Alright, so we're gonna go on my YouTube channel, Paige Lynn Miracle, my real name.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
What's my real name then?
Paige Lynn.
Miracle.
No.
What's my last name?
I know, I'm kidding.
Anyways, yeah, you can go check out that video. It's gonna be maybe better than this, so bye-bye, baby.
Later, Outcast.